Python for beginners. Python for beginners. Year 7th, rule number 2194 double six. Introduction. Welcome to welcome to Python programming. Empowering beginners with essential skills. In this presentation, we will explore the fundamentals of the Python programming language and its importance in today's technological landscape. Get ready to embark on journey of learning and discovery. Why Python? Python is a powerful, versatile programming language that is widely that is widely used in various domains such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Its simplicity and readability make it an ideal choice for beginners. With Python, you can unleash your creativity and solve real world problems with ease. And Python is commonly used in developing websites and software, task automation, data analysis, and data visualization. Since it's relatively easy to easy to learn, Python has been adopted by many non-programmers such as accountants and scientists for variety of everyday tasks like organizing finances. One of the reasons of its popularity is its simplicity and readability. Python has a clean and concise syntax which makes it easy for developers to read, write, and debug code. It also has a large variety library which provides a wide range of built-in functions and models that can be used for various tasks. Python syntax. Python syntax has a clean and easy to understand syntax which makes it beginner friendly. It uses indentation to define code blocks and emphasizes readability with its extensive library support and large community. Python offers a wide range of tools and resources to help you write efficient and elegant code. The syntax of a Python programming language is set of rules that defines how a Python program will write, written, and interpreted by by both the runtime system and human readers. The language has many similarities to Perl C and Java. However, there are some definite differences between the languages. And the basic Python syntax is of data types. It has data types like integer, string, list, and boolean. There are 35 keywords syntax are in the Python. This is the Python syntax. This is the Python syntax, data types and variables. Python provides built-in data types such as integers, floats, strings, lists, and more. You can assign values to variables using the equal to operator. Python dynamical typing allows us you to change the type of variable on the fly, making it flexible and adaptable. Data types and variables. Data types and variables. There are some built-in Python data types. They are some uh, numeric data types like int, float, complex, and string data types str, and frequent types list, tuple, range, and binary types bytes, byte array, memory view. Mapping data type dect and boolean type bool and set data types set frozen set. Python numeric data type first one. Python numeric data type consists of int hold signs integers of non-limited length and long holds the long integers exist in Python. Float, float whole floating precision number and it's accurate up to 15 decimal places. Control flow. Python offers various control flow statements like if else for and while loops to control the flow of execution. In program, these statements enable you to make decisions, iterate over collections, and perform repetitive tasks efficiently. This is the control flow of Python. Control flow of Python has loops. Control flow of Python has loops in it. A control flow of Python is the order in which programs code executes. The control flow of Python is regulated by conditional loops like loops and function calls. This section covers the if statement and for and while loop. Functions are covered later in this chapter. Is the order in which control flow is an order in which the computer executes statements in script. Code is run in the order from the list of first line in the file to the last line. Unless the unless the unless the unless the first line and the last line unless the computer runs across the structures that change the control flow such as conditional and loops. Functions and modules. Functions and modules. Functions in Python allow you to encapsulate a block of code for reuse. You can define your own functions or use built-in functions from Python standard library. Additionally, Python's module system enables you to organize and reuse across multiple files, promoting code modularity and maintainability. File handling. File handling. Python provides powerful file handling capabilities, allowing you to write and write data data to files with Python's file handling functions. You can manipulate text to files. You can manipulate text to files, JSV files, JSV files, CSV files, JSON files, and more. These operations are essential for tasks such as data processing, data storage, and data analysis. Error handling, Python offers robust error handling mechanisms to deal with unexpected situations. You can use try-except block to catch and handle error handling in Python. Error handling, and by effectively handling errors, you can ensure the reliability and stability of your Python programs. The try block let you test a block of code for errors. The except block let you handle the error. The finally block let you execute code regardless of the result of the try and except block. Expectation handling when an error occurs or expectation as we call it, Python will normally stop and generate an error message. Object-oriented programming. So Python supports object-oriented programming principle, allows you to create and manipulate objects with classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. You can build complex and scalable software systems which promotes code reusability, modularity, and maintainability. Python libraries and frameworks. Python, Python libraries and frameworks. Python has vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that extend its capabilities. NumPy, Pandas, Django, and TensorFlow are just a few examples. These libraries provide ready-to-use functions and tools for specific tasks, enabling you to leverage the power of Python efficiently. Python frameworks help project owners fast track their applications time to market. And this entry, let's answer the pressing need of startups to understand the difference between the Python frameworks and libraries. Frameworks and libraries as a project. mm, This framework automate common processes and implementation. For instance, developers can focus on applications logic rather than dealing with routinary process. Real world Python application. Real world Python applications. Real world Python applications in various domains from web development and data analysis to machine learning and scientific computing. Python empowers developers to build innovative solutions with versatility and ease to use make it a good to choice for professionals across industries. There are top 10 Python applications in real world you need to know that are web development, game development, machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data visualization, desktop UI, web scraping applications, business applications, and audio and video applications. These are the 10 applications in real world. In conclusion are completing the introduction to Python programming, empowering beginners with essential skills. Python is a versatile programming language that equips you with the essential skills need to embark on successful programming journey. Keep practicing and exploring and pushing your boundaries to become a proficient Python programmer. Thank you.